Now I am going to show you a real job what actually client needs. I find a job to Upwork. The client said I want the following data. So his agent name is. In today's video, I am going to show you my exact Zillow strategy to find verified real estate leads fast. And yes, you can steal this method right now. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. I help freelancer, marketers and agency owners generate targeted leads using smart no-code tools. If you want to grow your online business with lead generation and email marketing, make sure hit that subscribe button. So guys, let's dive in. First, go to Zillow.com. After visit Zillow website, you can see everything how to find leads from Zillow. Guys, we can easily find rent leads who already rent their apartment, houses. We can easily see all rental listing and all rental building. Also, we can easily see which house or apartment right now selling. Also, we can easily understand which apartment or building already sold. We can easily discover Zillow home loans, and finally, we can easily find real estate agent, property manager, home inspector. Now imagine guys, your client want to see who rent their houses right now. So you can just click rent and click house for rent. Imagine guys, you choose a location. Suppose I choose San Diego location. We can see 1174 rental available rent right now. We can see many house rent to this listing from Zillow website. Suppose I click this house. Can you see guys, they show you 23 picture these houses. This is the outside image of this house. This is the inside picture of this room. And if you want, you can see other picture. So guys, normally what your client want? Your client want this house pricing. So you can just copy this pricing and paste your Google Sheet or Excel file, whatever you want to save it. And after that, you can copy this address. And client want how many bed to this house and bed. This house 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom and square feet 2346. You can also find a lot of information on this platform. In this house, you can find there are other features included: dishwasher, microwave, oven, laundry, hookup. If your client need, you can copy those features your Google Sheet. You can click show more. The location San Diego. This property owner is Jeff. You can easily copy his contact number. By the way, guys, if our client needs who want to sell their house on this Zillow website, we can easily find their list. So guys, we can click buy guys, because you don't sell your house Zillow platform. When you sell house Zillow platform, then you can click sell after create your account and you can sell your house. But we find the leads who listing Zillow platform, so we click buy guys. And now I choose a different location. If you want, you can type any zip code, whatever your client want. Imagine I choose this code. After use this code, they show you 129 result. We can click one by one all house and list our CSV file or Google Sheet, whatever you want. Suppose I choose this house, so click this one, this home 21 picture. You can easily see all picture. You can easily copy this house pricing and address. This house 2 bedroom, 3 bathroom and 2000 square feet. This house built in 1927. This house lot square feet 1198. Can you see guys, this house estimate payment $18,413 per month. You can pay. Copy this your list. When you collect list, you can copy this one. And also, if your client need more features, and just you can easily copy those features what your client need. This location is New York. You can easily copy this one. By the way, guys, your client need who listing this house agent or agency phone number and email address must need. Can you see guys, they show you this house listing by Compass. So we can just copy this and click copy. And now go to Google search bar, paste and search Google. Click this one. Sushan here is the broker of the real estate. So we can easily copy our email address and also you can find our phone number and copy and paste our Google Sheet. Also, if you want, you can find a lot of information about Sushan. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find the real estate seller leads to this Zillow website. Now I am going to show you a real job what actually client client needs. I find a job to Upwork. The client said, I want the following data: extraction on Zillow of agents who sold homes in the last 3 months, listing details, price, address, Zillow link, agent name, agent and contact info, agency name, phone number, email address, city. The most important thing for me is to be able to sort the list by frequency, so I know who is selling the most amount of homes in San Diego over the last 3 months. Now I am going to show you how I collect these leads from Zillow. So guys, at first go to any browser and type Zillow sold homes, click enter. Now you can visit any link, so I just click this one. Guys, our client need San Diego location, so write San Diego, click enter. After input this location, we are finding 30,043 result. There are lots of home already sold here. We can find easily what our client needs. Let I click this house. Guys, at first we check who is the agent of this house, how many house he sold last 3 months. We scroll down, so guys, we are find this house listed by Brad Border. So guys, I just copy this name and click copy and go to Google search bar and paste his name. After input name, then you can type this one: San Diego homes sold past 3 months, site Zillow.com, and click enter. Now we can find his profile, so click this one. Can you see guys, we can find this profile on the Zillow, but can you see guys, he does not sold any house last 12 months, so we don't choose this profile. Now delete this one, and this house we don't listing, so back to search, because our client need who sold house last 3 months. So now I choose this one, click listing provided by Christina Wilkin. So just copy this name and go to Google search bar, again paste his name and write San Diego home sold past 3 months, site Zillow.com, click enter. We can find this profile, so click this one. This person sold 2 house last 2 months ago and other ones 3 months ago. So guys, last 3 months ago this woman sold 2 house, so we can listing. So again go to our Zillow.com, this website page. Now we can show you what our clients needs, our client, listing details, price. So at first go to Google spreadsheet and write price. When this house is sold, this house pricing $670,000. We just copy this pricing, copy, go to Google spreadsheet and paste. Now our client needs address. So again go to Zillow page and copy this address and go to Google spreadsheet, first write address and paste his address. Now client need Zillow link, so write Zillow link and go to Zillow this page. We just copy this page link, copy, go to Google spreadsheet and paste this URL. Now client need agent name, so write agent name. This agent name is Christina Wilkin. Just copy this name and paste Google spreadsheet. And client also need agency name, so write his agent name is RC Realty of San Diego. So just copy this and go to Google spreadsheet and paste. Now we write agent phone number. So type, go to Christina profile and scroll down, find his phone number. Just copy her phone number. Go to Google spreadsheet and paste. Now we listing email address. Again back to our profile. This is the email address. Just copy this one, go to Google spreadsheet and paste our email address. Now we need city. Now back to Christina profile and just copy his city name. Hit copy and go to Google spreadsheet and paste our city. So I just type home sold and he already sold 3 home. The client also need the most important thing for me is to be able to sort the list by frequency. So I know who is selling the most amount of homes in San Diego over the last 3 months. So guys, what clients actually this means? Client needs to extract data for multiple sold listing and then group the result by agent name to identify which agents are closing the most deals. Now I open another Google spreadsheet and type agent name. The right side I type home sold and paste Christina agent profile name and he sold last 3 months 3. Suppose I find another agent name and type and his name is Michael and he home sold is only for 2. So we just listing this frequency way. Now guys, you can easily understand how to find real estate sold list from Zillow website. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. If you need any lead generation service like verified email, skip tracing, you can easily contact me to my email address. You can find my email address in the description below. So bye guys.